As you noted, the Indus Waters Treaty has survived through several military conflicts between India and Pakistan in the past. There have been occasions on which India had previously threatened to suspend the treaty, but now this is the first time that India has followed through on that threat, holding the treaty in abeyance. So that's quite a novel and quite unusual step. There is no provision in the Indus Waters Treaty for such a unilateral action. The treaty does not contain provisions for one party to terminate the treaty or to step out of the treaty. So the legal status of India's actions is also unclear. India maintains that Pakistan has acted in material breach of the treaty following the attacks of the 22nd of April, and also that the material conditions underlying the treaty have changed. But these are legal arguments that are not necessarily accepted by the international community. So this action on the part of India is a very politically bold and aggressive step in its relations with Pakistan around the Indus Waters Treaty, and the legal status of that decision is yet to be resolved.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।